Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best backsplash for your kitchen, the Black Hexagon Peel and Stick Backsplash by MOONFUN. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, bathroom, fireplace, or even your RV with an easy-to-install and stylish solution, this product might just be what you need. This peel and stick backsplash features 12-inch by 12-inch black hexagonal tiles that are not only modern and sleek but incredibly easy to apply. There's no need for grout, no need for specialized tools. Just peel off the backing, stick it to a clean, smooth surface, and you're done. It's the perfect DIY solution for those who want a quick upgrade without the hassle of traditional tiling. Each package contains 10 sheets, giving you a total coverage area of 10 square feet, making it great for a variety of uses. Whether you're transforming your kitchen island, adding some flair to your bathroom, or even updating your RV interior, these tiles can handle it all. The 3D self-adhesive honeycomb design sticks firmly to any smooth surface, so you don't have to worry about them peeling off over time. Plus, the high-quality vinyl material ensures that they're waterproof, oil-proof, and heat-resistant, making them perfect for areas that are exposed to moisture or high temperatures, like behind your stove or around your bathroom sink. What's more, the tiles are easy to clean. The waterproof surface helps prevent any dirt or grease from sticking, and if something does spill, a quick wipe down will restore their vibrant black color. No more worrying about stained grout or difficult to clean tiles. The versatility of this product means it's suitable for a wide range of applications beyond just kitchens. It works wonderfully as a backsplash for your stove, a decorative accent behind your fireplace, or even as a feature wall in your bathroom or living room. The best part? You don't need to be a professional to install these tiles. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or someone looking to tackle their first home improvement project, this peel and stick backsplash offers an easy, mess-free installation. It's designed for a long-lasting hold, so you can enjoy a fresh, clean look for years to come. In terms of style, the modern black hexagon design provides a sleek, contemporary aesthetic that complements any decor. It adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, making it a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to refresh their space with minimal effort. Overall, the Black Hexagon Peel and Stick Backsplash by MOONFUN is the perfect solution for those looking to update their spaces with ease. It's durable, stylish, and incredibly simple to install, making it the ideal backsplash for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen or other areas without breaking the bank or hiring a contractor. Thanks for watching this review. If you're ready to make your home look even better, check out the link in the description to grab your own set of these peel and stick tiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews here at Product Critique.